I'm Jared from Vision X, and today we're showing off our 3 new lines of lights. Our first one is the Explorer series. This one will be out probably at the end of the summer. It comes in pods and in bars, and in the pod configuration you'll have 4-inch, 6-inch, 7-inch, and 9-inch. With the bars there'll be 10, 20, 30, and single or double row. 3 of the key features of this lineup, one is that it's all completely die-cast, even the bars, so there's no extrusion in there. It's a fully sealed light. Second, these lights have internal relays in them, so as far as wiring goes, you'll see on the plugs there's 3 wires, a power, ground, and then a trigger wire. That trigger wire only pulls a percentage of an amp, so you're able to basically plug these to power, ground, and then merge all of your trigger wires together to make it an easy on and off without having a whole mess of wires. The other part of this is it has this DRL, and the DRL you're able to choose between amber or white, or you can run both. If you run both, the white actually has the priority, and the reason you want to do that is if you wanted to connect these to like your turn signals. So you can see basically if you connected it that way, it would flash along with it. Once you turn it off, it has about a 5-second relay, and then the white will turn back on. So this lineup, really nice lineup, should be out again at the end of the summer. On this side over here, we have our other 2 lines, which basically can be shown in the round and the square series. The round side is going to be the new CR7 and CR14 Pro. These would be basically our new flagship lights. The CR7 is 11,900 lumens in a 4.5-inch package, which makes that best in class. These are a spot beam, and they come with the X lens system, which basically this lens you can pull off. We have 3 different versions of it in a white, amber, or selective yellow. And when you utilize that, it gives it a little bit of diffusion and adds makes that basically a driving beam instead of just a straight spot. So this one's about $375 retail, and this one will be about $475, and those will be out. This one will be out in August. This one's available now. On this side, we have the Dura Gen 2, or the Dura Pro as we call it. These are available in a couple of different configurations, a 2 LED, 4 LED, 6 LED, and a 9 LED. So the Dura series for us has been around for about 10 years, and is really a light that we cut our teeth with in the development in the mining and heavy duty area. And now we've basically got these to be a lot more high efficiency, higher output, and with an industrial design that really speaks more to the off-road side. Now these are available in a couple different configurations as well. So each of these is going to be available in either a white or a selective yellow, and then they'll also be available with either a driving beam where it has the DRL at 30% output and then the full power beam, or they'll be available in a work light that'll just be a straight flood on and off single circuit. These are available now. The CR7 Pro is available now. This will be available in August. So if you have any questions, you can take a look on our website at visionxoffroad.com.
Hey guys, it's Ariana with STKR Concepts. I'm here just to show you one of our newest launches. We launched the LP EDCs recently. This is our 500 lumen version. It has a floodlight at the top, so it's super bright. You can change the modes that way. The cool thing about this guy is that it also has 2 magnetic bases on it. So you have your bottom magnet, and then you have the back here on the clip. So you have multiple ways to have hands-free lighting. We have our 800 lumen version as well, which you can see pictured. It's going to have that spotlight on the front. These are all available on our website, and they're super great lights. The 8.0 actually has a few bonus features if you'd be interested. We have red mode on that one, and the front light is going to offer a warmer light for more ambiance, and it's easier on your eyes. So just go check out our website, STKR Concepts.
Hi, my name's Paige Wilson. I'm with Optima Batteries. We're here showing off our brand new QH6 lithium starting battery. It's a direct replacement for any OE H6 DIN fitment. It's 34 pounds lighter than its AGM equivalent. It's packed with technology. I mean, it's Bluetooth connected. We have an app. You can see everything you want to know about your battery at your fingertips. You can turn it on and off. A really unique feature of our battery is that it has a built-in jump starter. We call it the Optima CPR. So the battery will never let itself go below 30% state of charge. If there's a parasitic draw on it from there, it'll disconnect itself to preserve that power. And with the touch of a button, again, either on the top of this battery or via the Bluetooth app, you can turn the battery back on, jumpstart it. It has that power to give you one more start, so you'll never be stranded.
Hi there, it's Greg Amendola from Wire by Greg out of Orange, California. We are at the Overland Expo 2025, and I want to show you a little bit about what we do. First thing is we are an integrator. We basically install anything 12 volt on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. We do helicopters, boats, and airplanes. But the cool products we brought to the show is, I'd like to show you the batteries from Full Throttle. This is a AGM battery. There's a bunch of batteries out there, but the nice thing about this one is it is out of Camarillo. They have a 4-year warranty. They've got extreme testing on everything, vibration. It's AGM, it's fully sealed. They discharge at a little bit lower rate, and they'll come back from major abuse. So this is something that we push in the shop on every vehicle that comes through the door. There are plenty of other good options, but these guys definitely back their products. If you ever have a problem, you can call them, they'll pick up the phone. Otherwise, you can call me and I'll tell you everything about them. As far as power systems in the vehicles, we do everything from Victron to Red Arc. But here, like as far as our vehicle that we have, our power systems are the DC 115s from Full Throttle, Full River. The management system is from Red Arc. We sell a bunch of Red Arc. Again, it's a company that will pick up the phone and back their product. We're running their new Alpha 50R R-Bus system, which is a BCDC. We've got their TVMS Rogue and their inverter. The build out is a combination of some equipment, but we use TerraQuest Off-Road out of Corona, California to house all our equipment. Back here we've got the new Super B 150 amp hour lithium battery from Red Arc. We've got a compressor in here, and we basically run all of our systems off the 2 battery systems. This is the Red Vision display, and here is the S-Pod Bantam touchscreen. All of our communications are provided by PCI race radios. We also sell everything from PCI, and we're just here to make a good quality product for the Overland community.